position, position, position,
positioning, positioned, positions.
Noun. 1.
The particular portion of space occupied by something.
2.
The act of putting something in a certain place.
3.
A condition or position in which you find yourself.
4.
An item on a list or in a sequence.
verb,
1.
Cause to be in an appropriate place, state, or relation.
2.
Put into a certain place or abstract location.
Listen and practice.
Atheists do not enjoy a favorable position in American life. Atheists do not enjoy a favorable position in American life. The position of the hands on the clock. The position of the hands on the clock. Moved from third to fifth position. Moved from third to fifth position.
position.